Do you know why Allah doesn't want women to cry alone? Because He knows how heavy a woman's heart can become. He knows the silent weight she carries in her chest, the tears she wipes away in the dark, and the strength it takes to keep going when no one understands. When a woman is sad, it touches every part of her: her body, her sleep, her health, her hormones, her smile. Her sadness is not surface level. It runs deep, and Ar-Rahman, the most merciful, knows this better than anyone. That's why, in the Quran, His words to women are never harsh. They are gentle, reassuring, healing. Again and again, He says, "Do not grieve. Do not be afraid. Let your heart be at ease." These are not just verses. They are divine whispers from the Lord of the worlds to the soul of a woman carrying silent storms. When Maryam, peace be upon her, was alone, in pain, and about to give birth under a tree, when no one was around to comfort her, and she cried, out in despair, Allah sent her peace. He told her, "Do not grieve." Surah Maryam 19:24. He provided her water from beneath her and dates from above her. Because He saw her pain, and He answered it not just with miracles, but with gentleness. And remember the mother of Musa, peace be upon him. Imagine the fear of placing your newborn into a river, but Allah reassured her heart. He said, "Do not fear and do not grieve. We will return him to you." Surah Al-Qasas 28:7. And He did. Because He doesn't just guard children, He guards a mother's heart. Even when He commands kindness to mothers, He says, "Do not even say uff to them." Surah Al-Isra 17:23. Because He knows a woman's heart may be soft, but her worth is immense. So to every woman who feels heavy tonight, with eyes that cry quietly in the dark, know this: your pain is seen, your tears are counted, your sadness is sacred, and your healing is already written by the one who loves you more than you love yourself. Allah hasn't forgotten you, not for a moment.